Hey, sir. So I have these reports about Marvel Rivals, right? And it hasn't really dipped down at all, really. Like, actually, it might have gone up since the update. So I was trying to see like what your thoughts on this were. Like, it hasn't died at all. Oh, for real? I thought that game died, bro. Dang, that's crazy. I've seen no memes of that game, no edits of that game, nowhere, bro. That's wild. It's not like they have like 300K on Steam alone, not including console. That's crazy, bro. Wow. That's crazy. But thank you for informing me though, bro. I really appreciate it. Thank you. You're so useful. You're so useful, bro. I was doing my job. I was reporting. Bro, can you like leave, dog? Like, well, I thought we could do something about it. Like something, anything. Something like what? Bro, they have the whole MCU. I understand that. If they add Thanos, I'm packing my bags and I'm leaving the building. You're the head manager now. You're promoted. Congratulations. Okay? Well, I mean, I was thinking we could maybe, what if we did the PvE mode that we never did? That could be kind of cool, right? That could bring some people back for sure, right? This dude, bro. No? As I was saying, we're done. Okay? I don't know what I'm gonna do. Have you seen the employees around here? Have you seen them? Look to your right. Right now. I promise you, look to your right now. Right now. Look. 3, 2, there we go. Yep, he's playing ranked. Why don't you fire him? Bro, it's not just him. It's half the office. I'm not gonna fire half my office. They betrayed me, bro. What do I do? I never had competition before, bro. Why did they gotta do me like this, bro? Bro, we was ruling this shit for like years, man. I should sue them. I should sue them. Yeah, I should sue them. Yeah, they copied us, bro. I should sue them. I don't know about that. That wouldn't work, bro. It's Marvel, bro. There's no way I'm winning that shit, bro. Hey, you good? This game was supposed to die in a month. Why couldn't just pull a Concord, bro? Why is it still going, bro? Why are these developers actually competent, bro? Man, hold up. I have an idea. Hold on. I have an idea. Who you calling?
Hi, this is Nate's customer service. How can I help you?
Hey, this is the head manager of Blizzard. I was just seeing if you guys had an open position.